Welcome back everyone. In this lesson we're going to be creating a camera in Godot and having it track our player horizontally. So in our main scene here I'm going to create a new node and this is going to be of type camera 2D. Now this camera 2D, as you can see, it appears in our main scene and it has that blue rectangle similar to the one that already exists. So what we can do is we can actually have this camera override the existing preset window, which is what we see into the world, by going over to the inspector with the camera 2D selected and click on current. Make sure current is enabled and you'll see that the blue outline suddenly glows. Now if we press play, you'll see that the camera has changed, but right now it is not moving to track our player. So in order to do that, let's first of all move our camera over to where we want it to be initially. So we'll drag it, we'll select the camera here, and we'll drag it down to here where it overlays the existing camera. Might need to move it up just a bit. There we go. And now what we can do is, if we go to the inspector, we can create a new script for this camera. So we'll go new script here, and I'm going to rename this to camera controller. We'll create that, and here we go. So all we're going to do in this script right here is two things. We're going to create a variable, so we'll go onready var player, and this is going to be equal to get underscore node, and we want to find the player node. Now to do that, we need to go to the root of our scene, so we'll go slash root slash main scene slash player, and this is going to find our player node. Then if we go func underscore process delta, now this gets called every frame. We just want to go position.x equals player.position.x, and this will track us along our x position. So if we press play now, you'll see that the camera now tracks us along the x position, but the y stays the exact same, like so.